Hey everyone, Soundwave Productions here. I'm back again with another review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the LEGO Star Wars set 75153 ATST. Normally I would take a look at the packaging, but I do not have the original packaging for the set, but I do have the original instruction manual, so this is sort of what the packaging would have looked like. So here we have the Rogue One ATST, and this is a set that I've had for many years. It was sitting in a bin for 2 years. I only took it out and put it together. And I got the UCS AT-AT. I'll leave a link to that video in the description of this one. But before we take a look at the ATST more in depth, let's take a look at the minifigure. So the first and only minifigure that we're going to be looking at in this set is the ATST driver. Yeah, I don't have like the other two, and I'm not sure where the parts to rebuild the other two minifigures are. As you can see, very nice printing on the front of the legs. Here you got on the front, on the torso, and on the legs. No arm printing, but that's to be expected with most LEGO Star Wars minifigures. Nice printing on the visor, and as you can see, like if I bring out general views, you can see that the visor pieces, the helmet pieces on both figures are pretty different. Yeah, you can see General Veers' helmet has lots more molded detail on the top mostly. Yeah. And if we take a look, and as you can see, mine unfortunately has a big crack under the arm. That's what happens. I don't get why LEGO doesn't fix this issue with most minifigures. Same with the legs. Like sometimes the legs can get cracks on them. I don't get why LEGO hasn't fixed that yet. Anyways, let's just take a look at the ATST. Moving on to the ATST, we got some nice detailing all around, especially for the sides here. Got some nice mechanical detailing on the sides. Even on the bottoms of the legs, we have this piece right here, which I don't get why this. I know it's on like the ATSTs in the movies and like the TV shows, but I've never, and in the video games, but I never really got what it was for. Maybe somebody can let me know down in the comments what this is. On the back, got some more mechanical detailing, including, now this is something a lot of like Battlefront fans would understand, is we got these two pieces on the back of the ATST, and for those of you who do not play Star Wars Battlefront, if you shoot at these pieces, like the AT, it'll do more damage to the walker's health. And one thing you can probably notice is that mine is missing one of these like visor pieces. Yeah, the other one unfortunately cracked. So yeah. Same with this, same with the one that, yeah, normally there would be one on this side too, but that one cracked as well, so I just made one out of existing LEGO pieces. As far as articulation goes, the head can move side to side, but there's another feature for that. I'll show you what that is later on. The head can this cannon can move up and down. These two cannons can move up and down, and they are joined together, so you can't move one up and one down. And this cannon can move up and down, but I don't know why. But yeah, and this is one of the issues I do have with this set, is that this piece can move independently from the cannon instead of both of them moving together. Legs are on some heavy-duty ratchet joints, and there is no articulation at the feet. Now, we come to the back of the model. You can see that there's this little knob piece, and now there's a Technic gearbox inside the main torso. So you can just like turn the head side to side. Now let's get into some of the play features of the ATST. So you'll notice on the back there are these two like cone pieces, and when you press on one, so there are two spring-loaded shooters on the underside of the ATST's head that can shoot out 2 missiles. And now to get inside the ATST, there's 2 ways you can do this. So you can either A, open this top hatch here, or you can just open up the whole top of the head. And now For those of you who do own this set, you'll notice that the interior looks slightly different. I modified mine to where it can seat 2 minifigures instead of just one, like on the original set. I would show you like what it looks like with 2 figures sitting in there, but it's kind of a pain to get both of them sitting in there and not have them like bumping into each other. So, yeah. But when I do have 2 figures sitting in there, I'm mainly using the 2 AT-AT drivers that I got from the UCS AT-AT. So that was the review of the LEGO Star Wars AT-ST, and I will see you in the next video where I will be reviewing the LEGO Star Wars set 75301 X-Wing set.